Proper maintenance is essential to ensure the longevity and efficient functioning of your tractor. Here are some tips for maintaining your tractor. Check the engine oil level regularly and change the oil and oil filter according to the manufacturer's recommended schedule. Inspect the air filter and clean or replace it as needed to prevent dirt and debris from entering the engine. Check the coolant level and inspect the radiator and hoses for leaks or damage. Inspect the battery and cables for corrosion. Clean them with a wire brush and tighten any loose connections. Check the tires for wear and maintain the correct tire pressure. Grease all fittings and pivot points regularly to ensure smooth operation of the tractor. Check all belts and hoses for signs of wear and replace them if necessary. Inspect the brakes, clutch, and transmission for proper operation and adjust or repair as needed. Keep the tractor clean and store it in a dry, covered area to prevent rust and corrosion. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for any other components, such as the hydraulic system or fuel system. By following these maintenance tips, you can keep your tractor running smoothly and avoid costly repairs.